day, my name is Dele Ayimibo, and I'm your export doctor. Thank you very much for stopping by. In today's video, we'll be looking at another very interesting topic on global trade tutor. And today we'll be looking at pre-cooked soup. Like I said, until you get into the world of export, you will not see, you don't have an idea of what can be exported or the exportable product, different items that people try to export for different reasons. And one of those products you want to consider really for export is soup, pre-cooked soup. Pre-cooked soup is general term for any soup that is already cooked and ready to eat or to heat and eat with minimal preparation required actually. And there are different types. There is canned soup, there is frozen soup, there is a chilled soup, there is microwave soup, and there is even dehydrated soup. In choosing pre-cooked soup, people look for different things. If you're looking at maximum convenience, canned or microwave soup seems to be the best option. If you're looking for the one that potentially have a higher quality of ingredient, frozen soup is a better choice. If you're looking for one with a long shelf life, dehydrated soup is ideal. Now, of course, canned soup is inside a can. They are condensed soup needing dilution and ready to eat. And frozen are fresher soup. They require heating before consumption. They are pre-cooked and then frozen for freshness. And then we have chilled soup. It's very cold to preserve it, but not frozen. They are perfect for beating the summer heat and showcasing the vibrant flavor. People eat it like that, particularly in summer because of cold. Microwave soup is a single serving bowl prepared for quick heating in a microwave, offering convenience at the expense of potential quality compromise. Dehydrated soup, lightweight and shelf-stable, requiring rehydration with water or broth before they are consumed. What is the benefit of this? It's quick and easy meal. It becomes a cooking base. They are soup enhancer, ingredients in recipes, creative culinary uses, and for those that prefer the cold one or the frozen, health conscious. Now, it's also important that the food is free of chemical, unnecessary chemical, particularly pesticide and the like. It appears very attractive, have the right flavor and aroma, and have a very low level of any form of harmful bacteria. It can't be completely eliminated, but there are minimal level that the body can handle harmful bacteria. Now, there's no specification because soup is soup unless there's a particular type that someone wants. That's why some products you come up with it, send it to the buyer or company that want to buy, and they will check it if it suits their specification. And of course, they can buy from you. Do you know that the demand for soup is almost $4 billion? $4 billion. $4 billion in demand. Now, France, Germany, United Kingdom are the major buyer in Europe. In North America, United States, Canada, Mexico. You notice something. The demand in Africa is low. Demand in Asia is low. It seems European and American are the ones that like this food on the go. And you see them when you travel, you see them in trade, food on the go. So the soup, if it's cold, they can take the soup like that. Everything is canned, prepared, food on the go. But the demand is huge, actually. Almost 4 billion. That's a huge, huge, huge demand. And like I said, if you want to export this product, look at Canada, look at Mexico, look at France, look at United States. In Africa, Mali is a major buyer. In Oceania, Australia is a major buyer. But in Europe, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Belgium, Sweden, and Italy. Documentation. Sorry, packaging before documentation. Primary packaging, material that is food grade, the pouch or can or jar, and well sealed, airtight to prevent contamination and maintain freshness. If the soup is designed to be reheated, you choose a packaging material that is safe for microwave, that is safe so that they're not heating it and the chemical is entering into the food while they are warming it to microwave. Secondary packaging, additional packaging like corrugated carton, and it has to be well labeled for identification. If exporting in bulk, consider larger packaging material like barrel or drum, soup in barrel or drum. It's so important to ensure there's tamper-evident feature. Implement tamper-evident feature to ensure that consumer of the product know the product have integrity, the product is well sealed and protected. Provide the required temperature instruction, particularly for the frozen and the chill. It's so important that you use a food-grade metal can to meet international safety for canned soup, or for a sturdy freezer-safe plastic or cardboard for frozen. Choose a leak-proof flexible pouch or rigid plastic for chilled soup. Ensure packaging is in microwave safe and heat-resistant material for microwave soup. And use moisture-resistant pouch and bag with easy fissure and resealable closure to preserve freshness for dehydrated soup. And when you are labeling it, ensure that the name of the food or the soup is there, the weight is there, the list of ingredients in descending order of weight is stated, how the food should be stored is stated, the date when the food should be eaten is stated, genetically modified ingredient is stated, the date is produced and expiry date, batch and lot number is stated, the name and address of manufacturer and distributor, nutritional information on the back of the pack, all of them need to be stated. Remember, documentation is another very important area. In your country, you do your export declaration. Some countries will require five-star certificate for the ingredient used for it. Certificate of origin will be required in some countries. But bill of lading, invoice, and packing list is a regular document you will provide for many countries. Some countries will require inspection certificate or quality analysis certificate, and some will ask for health certificate. There are other country-specific requirements. It's important you move food safety standard, put also traceability information, and if there is need for sustainability certification, you also do the sustainability certification. Now, but before we close, let's look at some major peculiar issues around this product. That's pitfall to avoid. If you want to export soup, pre-cooked soup, what are the pitfalls to avoid? Number one is, because it's food, it's soup, microbial contamination leading to spoilage. Implement a strict hygiene practices during production. Use preservatives, proper pasteurization, and airtight packaging to prevent microbial growth, and regular testing and monitor for microbial contamination. Texture and flavor changes. Changes in texture and flavor due to overcooking, undercooking, or prolonged storage. Mitigation. Optimize cooking processes to achieve the desired texture. Ingredient separation. Separation of ingredients like vegetable and protein during storage. The water go one side, the vegetable go one side, the pepper go one side. What kind of soup is this? Use stabilizer and thickener to keep the ingredients together when stored. Discoloration is another very important area. Use natural coloring stabilizer. Minimize exposure to light during storage. If you want to learn more about pre-cooked soup, you can get a copy of about 1 to 1.5 hour video on export hack for pre-cooked soup. Thank you very much for stopping by today. My name is Dela Emibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.